Hello, what's up guys? It's me again, Hani Montano in Czech Republic. And today, ang video kong ito is about sa testing of COVID. And I will using today the test kit. And this name is Real Novel Coronavirus SARS-CoV Antigen Rapid Test Device. So, it's about from saliva. So, guys, ayan. Kailangan ko nang gawin siya ngayon. And ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-test ng COVID test. So, labas ko na siya, guys. Ayan yung pinakang kit. So, hindi pa siya nagagamit. Bagong buka siya. And then, this is the cup that you will put your saliva inside. And then, this is the mixer. Kaya po, mixer siya kasi lalagyan natin siya ng liquid. Ito yung liquid niya. And then, this is the dropper that you will get the saliva from here with the mixture with your saliva. And then, we will put it here. So, we will wait for the test. Okay, ayan guys. So, kailangan maglagay ako ng saliva dito. So, kailangan dadamihan ko. And then, kunin ko na siya by the dropper. Ayan, nandito na siya sa loob. Nandito na yung saliva ko, guys. Then, pasok ko na siya dito. May saliva. And then, I will put the mixture. And this is especially for this antigen rapid test device. Okay. Ilagay lang natin siya, guys, dyan. Si saliva. And then, I will open this. Wait lang kayo, guys. So excited na. Okay. Twist ko lang siya. And then, put it here. Like this. Kita nyo, guys? Ayan. Put nyo na sa loob. And then mix. Close nyo siya ng ganyan. And then mix it. Mix it with your saliva. And with the mixture for antigen rapid test device. So, na-mix ko na siya. So, ayun guys. Lagay ko na po si dropper. Lagay ko na po siya dito sa saliva ko. So guys, 3 drops lang po siya. So this is clean 3 drops of this. So, 3 drops na po siya. And then, we will wait. And we will see kung anong magiging result ng aking antigen rapid test device using this device for my coronavirus test. Ayan guys, habang naantay po natin, always remember to click like and subscribe button on my YouTube channel. And it's me again, always remember, Hani Montano in Czech Republic. And live, love, laugh, and enjoy life every day, guys. And I hope you found useful my YouTube video for today about testing of coronavirus using the rapid antigen test. Wait, guys. I'm so excited. How about you guys? What will be my result? And we will see. And hopefully, and I know for myself that I am negative, and also without virus here, even though I'm here in Europe, especially I'm living here in Prague, Czech Republic. So marami siyang cases dito guys from last year. That's why until now we are in a lockdown, emergency state of emergency because of quarantine and the coronavirus lockdown. That's why ayun guys, maraming shops and maraming businesses katulad ng mga wellness and then restaurants, cinemas are closed. And also marami ring workers na naka-quarantine sa mga bahay-bahay and then sa mga accommodation nila from the employer because of not allowed to work because the shops are closed because of our lockdown. So ayun guys, after waiting like 10 to 20 minutes, wait na natin siya guys, 10 to 20 minutes. So ayun, ito po ay from Germany. Yan, from Germany. Kaya yun guys, I know it will be helpful for you for self-testing for coronavirus. SARS-CoV-2. So we will know for ourselves that we are positive or negative by using this antigen rapid test device. I hope I am negative because dito sa lugar ko, it is advisable to have every week testing. Okay? Every week of testing siya. Mandatory. Kaya kailangan, after ng test ko ngayon, ulitin ulit sa Monday. Or coming week. Because today is Friday, March 26, 2021, guys. So, ayun. Kaya ginawa ko tong video is for helping people to know how to make a test for yourself for about coronavirus. And then guys, comment lang kayo down below. Comment down below here. Comment down below kung ano yung mga suggestions nyo na gusto nyong gawin kong videos, upcoming videos. And always remember to hit the notification bell icon so you will get more updates and you will see my new uploaded videos. And then ayun guys, kailangan nating maging maingat sa araw-araw. Kumain ng masustansya, uminom ng vitamin C. Ako, ang iniinom kong vitamin C is 1,000 milligrams. So, even sa Philippines naman, umiinom na talaga ako ng vitamin C. 1,000 milligrams. Iba nga lang yung brand, yung tatak dito sa Czech Republic. And then also some fruits rich in vitamin C also. And you know guys, for my next video, I will show you my everyday routine, especially my breakfast, what I put and what I use for my morning drink, like for example coffee or smoothie or juice. So I will show to my next video about my morning routine drink that is good in skin, nails, and hair. So may nakita ako mga pagbabago after kong gamitin siya. So next video ko sasabihin sa inyo kung ano yon, kung ano yung ginagamit ko na yon. Kaya ayun guys, excited na ba kayong malaman ang result ng aking antigen test of coronavirus? Comment lang kayo dyan guys. I know you are very, very excited also. Especially you're concerned that I am here in Prague, Czech Republic in Europe. Okay. So, ayan siya. Okay guys. Thanks God. I'm so grateful and thankful that I am negative. So, negative. So, pag 2 lines siya, CNT, positive ka. Pero pag, ayan, nasa C lang siya. So, negative ako. Thank you. I'm so grateful and thankful. And to God be the glory. Have a nice day, guys.